Hello, good day, my people. Trust you are doing well. This is Coach Icon, your smart capital bot coach from Nigeria. So today I'll be showing us video on how to register on smart capital bot correctly. So the first thing you have to do is you have to make sure you get an invite link from the person that told you about this wonderful smart capital bot. Yeah, or let me see if you came across my videos on my YouTube channel, that is, I'm going to be the one to be your direct inviter to smart capital bot group. So you can DM my WhatsApp number. Yeah, my WhatsApp number is already on my channel description, so you can DM my WhatsApp number or check on my video description. I'll be putting my registration, I put in my smart capital bot invite link on the video description, so that from there you can copy it and use it to register. But if it was another person that told you about this smart capital bot opportunity, maybe somebody from your WhatsApp, so just make sure you got that particular person invite link and use it to register smart capital bot. Don't use my own invite link that I put on my video descriptions here. So I hope we got that part clearly. So now so let me go to my notepad. So let's assume this is the invite link you are given, maybe by the person that told you about the smart capital bot opportunity. Or let's say this is the invite link I put on my video description. That is, maybe if you came across my video on YouTube by yourself, so just copy this invite link, maybe from the person WhatsApp DM or from my own video description, anyone. So me, I've already copied this invite link. So what you have to do is just go to your Chrome browser. Chrome is good. Yeah, it's good for registering on smart capital bot. So go to your Chrome browser. So here on your Chrome browser, can you see this particular page? Just paste the link here, the invite link that you were being given. Paste it here. Can you see? I've pasted it. So then you click on enter. That is, you click on this particular button on your keyboard. Can you see? So it will take you to the login page. So this is the login page. So you input your username. So input your username. So mine now, let me use icon 88. Can you see I used icon 88? Then I have to input a password. So this icon 88, if somebody has used it before, then I won't be able to use it again. But I don't know, or I'm not sure if anybody has used this particular username before. So I'm using icon 88 as my username. Then you input your password. So I input mine. Make sure you use the password that you will never forget. Then at the third box here, you reconfirm your password. That is, you input it again. Can you see? So you re-input your password again. So then you click on registered. You click on register. So I click on register. So the moment you click on register, then you can save your password here. Maybe for easier login next time. You can save. You can click on save. So now on this login page now, I input icon 88. Icon 88, which is the username I just used right now. Then I input my password. Can you see? So now then you have to click on this remember me button. So the moment you click on remember me button, then you click on login. But in some cases, if you click on login and this your particular account was unable to log in, it means maybe the username you used, somebody else has used it before you, or maybe you made mistake when you are setting up the password on the sign up page earlier. So what you have to do is just that you have to make sure you go and copy the invite link given to you by that person again. Go and copy it again, or copy the invite link on my YouTube video description, assuming if you came my videos on YouTube by yourself, which means I'm supposed to be your direct inviter. So go and copy the link again, then open new tab here on your Chrome. That is, you open new tab here on your Chrome, then you repaste the invite link again. That is, you are going to redo the registration again. So then on that new registration you are redoing, I mean on the second registration, then you make sure you use the correct, use another username, and then make sure you use correct password, fill in your details correctly, don't make any mistake, so that you'll be able to log in. So now let me go back to the login page of the account I opened earlier. Can you see now? So I use account 88 and my password. If I click on login, to the thing will log in. Can you see now? So I've logged in. So you can save the password. So after logging in, so this is a new dashboard for a new member. So this will be my new referral link, or your own new referral link, assuming you just create this new account and log in. So now what you have to do now is, after you've registered, make sure you go to the menu here at the top. Then you go and screenshot your account username. Go and screenshot it for the person that invites you. If I'm your direct inviter, then make sure you screenshot your account username and come and give it to me on my WhatsApp DM, so that I can confirm if your username has appeared on my back end. If it doesn't appear on my back end, that means your registration is wrong. You have to recopy my invite link and redo your registration correctly. So after you click on the menu at the top, then you have to come to this area where they wrote accounts. You click on accounts, then you have to click on profile update. So this is where you see your username. Can you see? So this is the username I just used, icon 88. So this is what you will screenshot and go and submit it to your inviter's DM. That is the person that invites you, that you use his referral link. Go and submit it to his DM for him to confirm whether your username has shown up in his backend. That is, whether your registration is done properly. So then on this particular page as well, after you have confirmed from your inviter, then come back to this particular page. Then you fill in your given, that is your first name, which is your own name, then your surname, then your email address, then your phone number, then your country. Then you click on update. The moment you click on update, your name, your first name will be showing at the top of your profile here. So that is the right way to sign up on Smart Capital Bots correctly, using your inviters referrals link or my own invite link. If you came across my videos on my YouTube channel, so that's how to go about it. So in my next video, I'll be showing us video on how to bind our Smart Capital Bot with Binance API correctly for the purpose of trading. That is, for the purpose of the bot trading for us and making profit for us in the Binance, while we hold the full access to our trading capital and profits 100% inside our Binance. That is, we can withdraw our money anytime if we want. So this is not like a Ponzi scheme project. So thank you. See you on my next video.